City, as close as real life as you can get without being prosecuted.
Gangsta, gangsta. Gangsta, gangsta. Nigga, are you really a gangster? Sorry for life. Feel me? On a sunny day, one bright morning, you were feeling for cream, and you started yawning. Had it in your pocket, had to come up, you had to get back. It was a struggle, nigga, it was war. Out the county with a body, sleeping on the floor. It was the thought you were thinking, had your mind in a swirl.
619. That's the crib where it all began. I can say by the time that I was 6, I at least seen 3 or 4 murders in the crib. Next door right there, 617. My aunt and them own that house. My father had built a secret compartment that go from our house to that house because he owned the speakeasy in the basement. If you read Queen B, you know, you'll be able to see, you know, all the stuff that I'm talking about. You know, Aaron Jones and them, JBM Don, that was my man. But guess what? When it came down to certain different things, business was business. You know, shout out to Craig Haynes, the twin. I mean, a lot of legends from Philly. You know, shout out to Larry Davis and them. You know, I was on Rikers Island with them boys. You know, so many. Shout out to Kevin Childs. You know what I'm saying?
Kevin had a trash can bags. You know what I mean? And I used to always admire that one to get that, you know what I mean? Because he was down, you know, in the whole scenario with his mom, him. You know what I mean? They had a thing going on, you know what I'm saying? So I used to always admire that about how he used to get that money.
Kev touched the game at a real young age. I guess from his upbringing and his mom and them, they had him, you know, filtrating what was going on back then, and he stepped out on his own. And from there, it was hard. You know what I mean? He was about one of the biggest in the city at one point.
Oh man, Kev come from a long family of getting money, man. They didn't get money since the 60s. Yeah, that block on Dolphin Street, man, his dad started off running it. His dad passed away, and his mom, the Queen Bee, Miss Dot. To keep it real, all the way real with you, I used to run them 100 packs from Miss Dot.
Okay.
Kev used to sit on the couch in there and just rock his head. Couldn't wait to get his start.
All right.
That's how far back we go.
When Kev and his cousin used to steal the weed and then come running in the alleyway.
Yeah, come down that alleyway. Yeah, the whole Dolphin Street was lit up,
look,
though, man.
this
It
way
was like a drive-through drugstore.
Looking for that real life? Cook City Publications, we gonna give it to you. Remember, build with us, crumble. Next novel coming out, every sentence must come to an end.